Alright, howdy boys and girls, this is your old pal Eugene, and this is a clutch lever. Well, I guess it could be a brake lever, but we got it hooked up to the cable that, as you can see, operates the clutch. See, I'm pulling in on it, and we're doing that. Now, in this resting state, your clutch is engaged. When you pull in on the clutch lever, and you can see the clutch arm going in as I pull in on the lever, that disengages the clutch. Release it, the clutch arm goes out, and we engage the clutch. Now when I try to push the bike, it's engaged and it would try to turn over the engine. And if I remove the spark plug and push the bike forward, we would hear that thunk, 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 thunk. Put the spark plug in, disengage the clutch, pedal your butt off, dump the clutch, and that would be engaging the clutch, and then you would hear the engine start, provided everything is working as it should. So that is our lesson for today, okay? So we pull in here to disengage the clutch. You've got your clutch arm. Let's get a little bit closer here. And that clutch arm inside the case there pushes in on the bucking bar, which then, of course, on the other side, when we hold in on the clutch lever, we are disengaging it. Your clutch pads are no longer being compressed by the plate there, and we are no longer transmitting power from the engine, if the engine is running, to your drive sprocket, which would then in turn provide power to the chain, and you would be spinning the wheel and tearing ass down the road. So, clutch arm pushed in, disengaged, clutch lever released, clutch engaged. Alright, so let's take a look at a 4-stroke clutch. And let's see if I can do this with one hand holding the camera. Okay, so here we have our clutch. Here, and I'm going to rotate the wheel, and you can see the clutch is spinning. Now, in order for the clutch to be engaged, the power would be going from your engine shaft to the outer bell. And you can see right now the clutch is in the disengaged state, and the clutch rotor, the bell, is turning while the wheel is turning. So that's the same thing on your 2-stroke bike. Your 2-stroke bike has a manual clutch, so you have to pull in on the clutch lever in order for the clutch to be disengaged from the wheel. This is the disengaged state. And in your centrifugal clutch, when the engine RPMs go over about 2,500, I forget the where they cut in on these here, the exact designation. It's on the clutch oftentimes. Because of the inertia of spinning around, the clutch plates grab the bell and the clutch engages, and that way when your engine is rotating, it transmits the power to the clutch bell, to your chain, and you're tearing ass down the road. So, it's so simple, I just figured it out. A lot of you boys get it bass-ackwards when you say that, so you got to say what you mean and give some definition when you're online. Because you're helping confuse a lot of us too, okay? So, hope I helped someone out. Give it a thumbs up if you like my videos. Subscribe. Notifications. Thank you for watching.